MaxBounty Affiliate Network Full Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to all relevant products and resources are in the description. MaxBounty is one of the most well-known CPA cost-per-action affiliate networks, catering to both beginner and experienced marketers. It primarily focuses on lead generation, offering a wide range of campaigns across multiple verticals, including finance, health, e-commerce, and sweepstakes. Unlike traditional affiliate networks that rely on revenue-sharing models, MaxBounty pays affiliates based on specific actions such as form submissions, app installs, or trial signups. Hachan features. MaxBounty provides access to thousands of high-converting offers, many of which come from exclusive advertisers. Affiliates can filter campaigns based on payout type, country, and niche. The dashboard is user-friendly, displaying essential data like EPC, earnings per click, and conversion rates, allowing for data-driven decision-making. Weekly payments via PayPal, Bitcoin, or bank transfer ensure steady cash flow for marketers. Another standout feature is its referral program, which rewards users for bringing in new affiliates. Who is it for? MaxBounty is ideal for affiliates who specialize in paid traffic sources such as Facebook ads, Google ads, native ads, and email marketing. Since many offers require specific targeting, it's best suited for those with experience in driving high-intent traffic. While beginners can get started, the network has a strict approval process, meaning new affiliates need to demonstrate a basic understanding of CPA marketing. Strengths and weaknesses. The biggest advantage of MaxBounty is its reliability. Payments are consistent, and the network has built a strong reputation over the years. The variety of offers ensures affiliates can always find profitable campaigns, and dedicated account managers provide personalized support. However, the strict approval process and limited options for organic traffic marketers can be drawbacks. Additionally, some offers have high payout thresholds, requiring a solid traffic strategy to see meaningful earnings. Final verdict. MaxBounty remains one of the top CPA networks for affiliates who understand paid traffic and conversion optimization. If you're serious about CPA marketing, it's a solid choice. Check the description for links to MaxBounty and recommended tools. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth affiliate marketing insights.